Hi, I'm Wendy Zabolinski. My husband Andy made this sled for me. It was inspired by me having cancer back in 2012. That's what's inspired this. We started with the Pink Ribbon Riders. As you can see, Jody, the founder of Pink Ribbon Riders, signed it. Mine's a PRR. It's a Pink Ribbon Riders. It's a Pink Ribbon Relic. We use it to inspire funding for cancer survivors, people going through cancer. All the funds go directly to the recipients. Back to myself, I'm a survivor myself, so in 2012, my husband started with junk parts, and this is what we ended up with. It's an Elan, Ski-Doo Elan, 1972. It has a 340 TNT motor. It's a blizzard pipe that my husband had to cut and form to fit into the space. So in 2012, it won Best of Show. In 2012, Old Forge, it made first place in Custom Sled, which we're entered in today. In 2013, he entered me into an old-timers powder puff race, 25-mile race. I placed third. That was a lot of fun. If you look here, my husband had to tape my hood back because to get into the turns, you had to put all your weight to the one side, and my foot, being short, kicked the hood. So when you went the other way, it kicked this side and shattered it. He did a lot of clutch work and honing. Ev made the seat for me. Seats by Ev. He gave me a shirt to go with my sled. My sled, when we race it, it likes GP12. And the oil, Ski-Doo oil, she loves it. Here's my PRR racing sled info. Jody gave me this to promote breast cancer awareness. Pink Ribbon Riders in Old Forge, we did their race. My sled donated $14,500 for the cause. It was in a parade in Baldwin, New York, and it made over $40,000 for the cause. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Is it okay?